So if we see any kind of pullback here right now, it's totally natural. It's nothing to be concerned about. What we want to see is the pullback and the 34 excuse me, and the 34 EMA hold. If the 34 EMA holds here, then we're going to push back up, and we should see, lower 80s to upper 80, like I was saying, 82K to 88K, Q4, going into Q4. And if, just like Justin was saying, if we see this altcoin rally, right, it's gonna bring the total market cap back into the market, and that just naturally that just it naturally trickles up to Bitcoin. Um, I showed you guys before, but I'll show it again. If you guys just go on your trading views and just type in total, there's there's total 2, and there's total 3. Total gives the entire market cap for the entire market, including Bitcoin and ETH and all the coins. And then total 2 gives you the whole market cap, um, uh, excluding Bitcoin, and then total 3 gives you the whole market cap excluding Bitcoin and ETH. And then with those tools, you're able to see where the money went in the market when Bitcoin pumped, right? With the ETF narrative, the last wave, almost everything kind of went towards Bitcoin, where the market caps for the altcoins and ETH stayed relatively low. So if we get the market cap push back up on ETH and the altcoins, it's just going to naturally pump the Bitcoin market cap.
Amazing, TA, as usual. Also, kind of to piggyback off of that too, let's talk about Solana Breakpoint that just happened in Singapore. Huge Solana conference, man. And let me tell you,
Every KOL I know is there.
yeah, it was massive. If you ask me, I think that shit was bigger than BitCon or and NFT New York or whatever.
Yeah,
Everyone I knew went. When you got people flying across the world to go to a conference, they must be super excited about it. But let's have there's some key notes to take away from Breakpoint. My bad. Solana Breakpoint. Jupiter Mobile coming out. Okay, guys, this is why I love Jupiter. Integrating Apple Pay and credit cards on board. That's huge. What?
It's their phone?
No, Jupiter. The DEX. This Jupiter Exchange. They have an app. They'll take Apple Pay and credit card now. Huge, huge, huge. That's why I'm going heavy in Jupe. Besides, I really like Meow. I think he's really got his finger on the pulse, and he is the main reason why the Solana ecosystem is thriving. HelioPay is now going to allow you if you don't know HelioPay, it's just it's a Web3 product, blockchain product. It's going to allow you. It's going to allow Shopify merchants to sell products on X. These things called blinks, which is awesome, which is a good segue to get crypto payments. But yeah, and then asset manager Franklin Templeton announces plans to launch a mutual fund on Solana. That's another big. That's huge too.
The big boys are getting involved in the ecosystem.
They're coming. And last but not least, there's another Solana phone coming out in 2025. You can pre-order it right now. It's called the Seeker. It's a little bit more updated than the ones that are out right now, of course. However, when I get it, I don't know, man. I feel like they're not going to do what they did for the original Solana phone. I mean, listen, I'm not saying it's a bad buy or whatever, but
yeah, I don't think, because the first time you got a ton of soul, right, with it.
Yeah, dude. So just to name just to name some things on the top off the top of my head when I bought the original Solana phone. Uh, I got a guaranteed 36 million bonk. Um, and that within itself paid for the phone twice over. Got that NFT, the Saga Monks or whatever, that with a all time high floor price of 14 Sol. And then a ton of other airdrops like Mumu the Bull, which is a meme coin that's running right now. Uh, so are they going to do stuff like that again? Who knows? I don't know. I think that was like a one time thing. I don't see it happening. But if you do want a crypto native phone, then get that. But yeah, I kind of want to end things on this, Arthur. And I feel like it's only right. I want you guys to tell me what I think of which meme coin right now. Everyone put in the chat what meme coin, what do I think of which meme coin, or what do I think of about a meme coin? I don't even know how to talk right now. You know what I'm saying? What meme coins you guys like? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat, and I'll tell you what I think.
It's not a meme coin, but something, because we were speaking about alts. Don't forget to put DEXs on your guys' radar in terms of alts. You guys know I go heavy in Uni. I go heavy in DYDX. But Uni in specific, something to keep an eye out for, and I'll drop a photo in the chat right now. Is the volume that it had this year was actually the most historic volume that it ever had, ever since they introduced their rev share. Oh, that's awesome, Blast. Sushi is on watch. So Sushi is another exchange, right? We got Sushi, we got Pancake Swap, uh, we got DYDX,
Uni.
Uni, yeah. What else is there? I think I'm forgetting one more still. Oh, no worries. Why? Because we have a watch list called Dexes, so I could just check my Dex coin list. Yeah, we got 1 inch, API 3, Cake, DYDX, Ray, Sushi Uni. Radium, you guys probably know if you guys are trading full coins. If you don't have the Dex watch list, I got you. I'm gonna drop it in the chat right now. Here are my top Dex coins, decentralized exchange coins. But back to Uni. So if you look at the photo that I posted right before that watch list, do you guys see that really long blue line earlier this year? And then if you look to the very right, there is a few more very long lines. That's the volume bar indicator. It's the most volume that the coin ever had, even when the coin was trading, upper $40. So usually when you see this, it's an indicator that there is a lot more new holders in it, right? A lot more investor sentiment, and a bigger book of business has been established on Uni. We can start to look at Uniswap, if you do invest in it, almost kind of like investing in a stock, right? Because Uniswap makes money based on the fees that it takes, and now it's actually giving the fees back to the people that kind of uh, like help help the liquidity pools by staking, and that's how dexes work. So keep Uni on your guys' radar. And then we have a ton of other watch lists too. We got the AI coins, gaming coins, meme coins, and all that stuff.
Before
It's all posted and pinned in the announcement, so you guys don't need to scroll up. Just go in the announcements and just check the pins. You'll see all of the different watch lists that we have. What's up, Justin?
before another Dex coin, and we just mentioned it probably 100 times during this market update. Jupiter. Make sure you have Jupiter on your watch list. Jupiter, 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 Jupiter. JUP, JUP. Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. I'll say it again, Jupiter.
And I just added it to the Dex watch list. I don't know how I named it. Tesla, if you guys have been ripping Tesla, beautiful bounce off the golden pocket, and Meta, for the stock traders in the group, I think we've been calling Tesla and Meta pretty relentlessly, and they have been relentless right back. Check out Tesla. Check out that perfect bounce off the golden pocket area, which are those two golden lines. And then let me leave you with one last chart for Meta, and then we can wrap up there. But Meta is a screamer.
Pause. Can you check your DM?
Meta to 590s. That's my bet. Blaster showed you guys a sushi chart in the chat. A little birdie told me that we're going to see Blast a bit more in the crypto floors probably next week. That's exciting. All right. Yeah, that's all we got for you guys this week.
Yeah. Straight and to the point. Those are, the most important updates for you to keep on your radar, guys. Let's get ready. The next few months is where we really hit it hard and really set ourselves up for success. I can't stress how important this part. Also, let's be wary. The election is going on too. Could be a little rocky, a little very unstable, very unpredictable. Stick to
Definitely
the
expect
principles.
volatility.
Yeah,
Right?
stick to the principles. Stick to the strong one.
Smart accumulation right now. That's what you want to be doing. Oh, and then guys, keep the for the folks who are trading stocks, Microsoft also set up and poised to rip back to all-time highs and then push towards 500. Sweet guys, that's all we got for you. Thank you. We're gonna post some classes later this week, both for elite and for the normal folk. So make sure you guys keep up to date with the little calendar icon in the events tab, and keep an eye out for the classes. Yeah, man, stock floor is just literally on fire, guys. And if you guys are trading crypto, trading stocks is the same TA, it's the same strategies. And options are like leverage trading, but without the liquidation. It's pretty awesome. All right, guys. Peace.
Palantir,
Enjoy your
Palantir,
week.
Palantir,
Later, everyone.
Palantir, 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 Palantir. I'll say it
Peace
again,
on the stock.
Palantir.
Palantir. Later, everyone. Peace out.